This is my Federal AC version 2 bike check. Right, up the front we've got Federal AC bars with cool heart grips and animal bar ends. We've got gusset front load stem with a carbon fibre spacer and a BSD integrated headset. For the forks we've got Pro-Light blades, 25mm offset, nice and steep for them nozzers. We've got in the middle of my bike we've got the Shadow Conspiracy seat and Shadow Conspiracy post, stub sticker, yeah. And I've got stock fit tubular cranks, piece of craps but still. Odyssey twisted PCs, Animal Sprocky Balboa 22 tooth. Over to the back we've got Animal Tom White wool tyres, Alienation black sheep rim laced to G Sport ratchet hub 8 tooth, and I forgot to mention the front tyre. It's a Animal a GLH tyre. Spokes are 14 gauge, and I think that's it. It's my bike. Oh yeah, pegs are basket pegs. Not ready to fly. They're just like prototypes.
Shields not skills.
Shields not skilled sticker.
Yeah. And that is one hell of a lot of spots.